Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new swatcheroo, a nail polish of the week video. But of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But as usual, you want to start off with a base, and on forehand off camera I actually used the Catrice Nail Repair Nail Building Base Coat. I really like this one. You can use it as kind of like a treatment a couple of times a week, but I just felt like I need a little extra protection of my natural nails because I still had a little new growth or outgrown like gel polish, I have to say, because of course I do apply a little layer of gel base and top coat to strengthen my nails even further. Even though my nails are already quite strong by their own, of course these are my natural nails for anyone wondering, but the additional thin coat of base and top coat, which is gel polish, actually helps me out a lot. And the Catrice Nail Repair like nail building base coat is just a little extra something because I am going to use quite a pigmented polish today for this video and I'm planning on wearing this one for a full week as well. So yeah, that is why I'm actually doubling up my base coats. And the other base coat I'm applying right here is the one by Chanel. I've used this one a ton of times already in different videos. I also used it in my last nail polish of the week video, in which I already explained that of course it is very high-end, it is very expensive, but because I have already spent my money on it, I'm just going to use this one up because I don't like to waste money and product and so on. But the Chanel base, it's just so-so. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just right in the middle, but with a very high price tag. But yeah, for today's color, of course you want to make sure before going in with your colored coat that your base coat is completely dry. Of course I have doubled up bases, but the previous one was already completely dry, like the treatment one. So once your other layer of base coat, or maybe even your only layer of base coat, if you are applying one, is fully dry, you want to go in with your colored coat. And for today's color I'm using a beautiful, kind of like an egg yolk, yellowy kind of color. I just really wanted to do something cute for Easter because upcoming weekend, of course, it is Easter. And I just felt like doing something cute, kind of Easter appropriate, if you know what I mean. So I went through my collection and I saw this color by Cirque Colors. It is called Munchies and it is just a beautiful color. It's kind of like a warmer undertone orangey yellow, so it's not on the cooler side because during spring and Easter I already have seen a lot of different like lime, or not lime, like lemon kind of yellows, which are more on the cooler side, and more pastel like, if you'd like to call them. So I was really looking for something that was really bright and popping but not really summer yet, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this color is just perfect for Easter weekend in my opinion. But yeah, for application I'm just going in with 2 coats. It is actually a really easy color to apply, even though yellows can be quite tricky and quite hard to make, and they tend to be a little streaky and patchy and so on. But because there's so much pigment in this color, it actually was pretty decent within that first coat already. So yeah, I'm just going to add 2 coats in total. And yeah, for now, I think I'm just going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I don't really have a lot to talk about at the moment, so I'd rather just let you chill, grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. And if you have any additional questions or anything like that that I'm not showing you in the video already, let me know in the comment section down below. But for now, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.